Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ang video natin ngayon is about ear candling. Na-try kong mag-ear candling once pa lang and I find it very satisfying nung makita ko yung mga earwax. So, naisip ko, might as well share this to you guys, diba? So, ito yung mga uses ng ear candling. It can help you, relieve the ear infections, yung plugged ears, relieving tinnitus or ringing or buzzing in the ears, tapos helping to relieve sinus pain and pressure, headaches, itchy ears, and removing the excess wax build up. So, I have here ear candles. Ito siya. This is how it looks like. So, na-purchase ko to online. So, ganito yung hugis niya. Parang siyang papel na merong wax. You can feel it. Tapos, on the tip, meron siyang plastic. Tapos, meron siyang line dito. And this is the other end. So, I will read the directions for you guys kung paano ang procedure ng pag-ear candling. What you will need pala first is a paper plate or something na protection. Pwede na rin yung cardboard. Tapos, butasan nyo lang dito sa gitna. And a cup of water para pang patay ng apoy. And then, match or posporo. So, here are the directions. First, you have to lie on your side with your ear facing the ceiling. Second is, in the paper plate or a cardboard, make a cut in the shape of a letter X. Pass the candle through it with the tip down so that the burn line is still on the top. The next, sisindihan nyo yung bigger end, ito dito. Tapos, you have to wait mga 7 to 8 seconds before nyo i-insert yung tip sa ear canal. Hold the candle during the entire process. Pag yung apoy umabot na dito sa line, dito sa burn line, patayin nyo na yung apoy. So, I will insert a clip na nag-ear candling ako sa mama ko. So, if ever guys na medyo mahina yung sikmura nyo and you're not interested watching mga gross na mga earwax dyan, you may stop watching the video right now. So, if ever curious naman kayo kung ano yung nakuha ko, ano yung na-harvest namin na earwax, here's the video. So, okay ba? Ang daming na-harvest, no? Satisfying, right? You be the judge kung effective ba siya or hindi. So, yun lang po for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe na rin and leave some comments down below. So, yun lang. Daghang salamat guys sa pagtanaw. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye!